Well, the enthusiasm of the public, especially MotoGP enthusiasts for the upcoming Mandalika MotoGP event in March 2022, or this year, has given new hope for West Nusa Tenggara and Indonesia's national economic recovery. President Joko Widodo is assured that not just from the MotoGP, but a myriad of international motor racing and other such events at the Mandalika Circuit is expected to boost the local and national economy.
The 2022 MotoGP race at the Mandalika Circuit in West Nusa Tenggara, which is set to take place on the 20th of March 2022, has seen an explosion of enthusiasm from local and international visitors. This enthusiasm can be seen from the ticket sales data from the Mandalika Grand Prix Association, which stated that 4,529 tickets were sold in just 1 week's time.
Tiket terjual sangat cepat. Hari pertama kami membuka tanggal 6 Januari, satu kategori yang termahal langsung habis dalam hitungan jam.
Now, organizers are expecting around 100,000 visitors to the Mandalika MotoGP. To prepare for this, 300 tourism residential facilities have been built, including homestays, camping ground areas, and lodging packages in Bali, which is sold in combination with the MotoGP tickets. This is to help provide additional accommodation, as hotels and lodgings in West Nusa Tenggara currently only have a total of 23,000 rooms. Nevertheless, President Joko Widodo is confident that the MotoGP race in the Mandalika Circuit will give a big impact and boost local and national economy.
Kita juga ingin agar Mandalika ini tidak hanya urusan balap motor, tetapi juga memberikan efek ekonomi, memberikan efek pertumbuhan ekonomi kepada masyarakat. Oleh sebab itu, beberapa desa di sekitar sirkuit Mandalika telah dibangun homestay yang dibantu dari pemerintah pusat, disiapkan oleh pemerintah daerah. Sekarang siap 300 homestay. Kita harapkan nanti pada saat penyelenggaraan MotoGP semuanya terisi penuh sekali lagi, dan ini akan memberikan dampak ekonomi terhadap masyarakat di sekitar kawasan ekonomi khusus pariwisata Mandalika.
One of the community economic sectors which is expected to feel the benefits of Mandalika MotoGP are MSMEs, or medium, small to micro-sized businesses. During his visit to the circuit, President Joko Widodo even perused a number of MSME products, as he even bought a pair of Sundawa woven fabric shoes. The owner of this Lombok woven fabric shoes business, Muhammad Maliki, said he felt enormous pride as his product was bought by the president himself.
Pak Jokowi sangat senang dan antusias sekali dengan sepatu yang unik katanya. Dia sangat bangga dengan adanya UMKM bisa memproduksi sepatu seperti ini dengan hasil karya sendiri dengan penuh.
Pak Jokowi beli berapa pasang? Harganya berapa tadi?
350.
300. Iya. Gimana rasanya langsung dibeli produknya?
Rasanya saya sangat senang dan sangat merasa gembira yaitu dengan adanya Pak Presiden membeli sepatu atau produk dari saya. Saya sangat luar biasa.
Tickets to the Mandalika MotoGP are currently on sale, priced from 150,000 rupiah to 15 million rupiah each. The committee has prepared around 10,000 tickets for general admission, 28,578 standard grandstand tickets, 22,056 grandstand premium tickets, 2,000 Hilux class tickets, and 900 premier class tickets.